The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood. It's rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs, which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised. Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.